the brand spanking new BMW Z4.
Which is
V8?
Yeah, V8, 150 horsepower.
Only 150?
Yeah, well, it's probably got about 100 off now. Can't even reach the pedals.
Took me a while to figure out reverse. Oh, my friend.
We're going rogue, mate.
Yeah. This just feels so, like, bizarre. Oh, it's actually honestly.
Been a long morning.
Who employed him? Yeah. The other way? Yeah. Are we in the right car? We're stopped at the first hurdle as I can't actually turn the car on. Why am I here?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Stef ABtv. Welcome to a pretty epic video. Now behind me you will see the brand spanking new BMW Z4. Now these aren't for sale at the moment, however BMW have invited me down to a Roadster Heritage Drive Day. Now that's in celebration of all the Roadsters across the years. Okay, so let's start with a quick overview of what this car looks like. So we're going to start right at the front because, as you can see here, the new inspired kidney grills look absolutely mega. They almost look like a bit of braille writing, which is kind of cool. But yeah, it looks really nice. You can see the indented lines here on the bonnet. They look really nice as well. But the star of the show for me, this car is obviously it's pearl, it's white, but they've absolutely smashed it with the interior, because that for me is the star of the show. You've got the tan interior, which tan on white just absolutely looks ridiculous anyway. But you can see the attention to detail paid with the design of the car. You've got like the stitching that's put in place here, which just makes it look really, really nice. Taking a look at the front of the cabin, the cockpit, the point of view, if you like, you can see that now, obviously, with all modern day BMWs, you've got a lot more high-tech stuff in there. Straight in the middle here, you've got the iDrive system. The roof itself is a retractable soft top. So they've ditched the hard top roof, which is what BMW used to use on their cars, and they've replaced that with a soft top. Now, from open to close, this will do it in literally 15 seconds, so it's a relatively quick car and can be done from either stationary or whilst you're on the move. Wheels look mad as well. They look really, really nice. They've got this kind of chromy silver finish, which really, really make them stand out. Taking a look at the front of the car, you'll see you've got these huge kind of air vents which effectively allow for the air to come in through the wheels and out the side. You've got new inspired headlights on the Z4. Very, very nice, very, very good looking, really modernises the front of the car. Now if we take a quick look at the rear of the car, this for me, this is a really nice angle, and I think the Z4 it looks a lot wider. It's got a really nice wide stance to it, and actually it does work really, really well. Here you can see the 2016 Z4, but next to it, the BMW Z8. Now look at this. This is mental. Now, for those of you who watched the road trip videos, remember that this was taken down to Le Mans by Rory, and then Tim Schmee had a go as well. But the interior of this car is just so stunning. The red and black works ridiculously well. And then on my left, the iconic Z1. What the hell? Now this, I believe, is the Fraser Nash 338. I mean, if you were driving around one of these back in the 50s, you know, you'd smashed it. And let's take a quick look over here, because this is the one. This is the BMW 507. Now this car here right now, estimated market value of this is around 2 million quid. So if we are driving this one today, we've got to be really careful. Let me show you Becky's BMW, because it's fitting to have a quick look at this. Look how slammed that BM is. That is carnage. Absolutely carnage. That looks so mean. And then you got Tim spooked him with his Heritage Focus RS. So we're just having a quick chat about it actually. Apparently the market for these has gone through the roof. It's like 90 grand these are going for because there's only 50 of them made. So we're going to take out the Z1 because that looks very cool, particularly with the doors. Z1!
Dude, this
doorless.
Mate, this thing is mega. Like, literally, you've got like doors down.
Have you seen the
like,
pattern on
like the green
like the camo stuff? That is cool.
I'm all about this.
This is a bit of you, yeah?
Mate, I can't wait to drive this.
This feels a little bit more modern as well, less breakable. There we go, here's a key.
Oh, thanks, Pep.
Right, we'll do a quick facts check before we set off. So how do we do the doors? We've got to do the doors.
Wait, hold up. Wait, how do
we do the doors? Right.
Hold up.
Yeah. Oh.
Obviously you got a window switch there, and then just put it again, and it'll go down.
Oh my word. Should we just drive it like this?
Yeah. No, dude, I'm driving it with the doors down. Nice and hard. Doors up. No. You got doors down, my friend.
We're going rogue, mate.
Yeah.
How happy are you right now? Oh, watch out! Let's not run her over. Right, let's do the serious stuff first.
Okay.
Right, so BMW Z1, 170 horsepower, Bex.
This is like speed dating, isn't it?
It is. Car speed dated. 2.5 6-cylinder.
Rear wheel drive.
Rear wheel drive. Oh yeah. 36 grand new in 1990.
That's a lot of money, man.
Yeah, a lot of money, and 7.9 to 60.
Okay, let's test it.
We'll take that. We'll give that a go.
Okay. Wait, I feel so like in the wind. Oh, that's cold. Wait, this thing is sick.
This is winning in life right here.
Yeah.
I mean, what? It is such a cool car, and I'm about to take this out now, so you probably won't hear a word I'm saying, but it's just so old school, yet so awesome. Mega. Let's have a go at this now.
Engage.
Engage, active.
Go in.
Go. I've got to put the belt on.
Right.
We're doing this.
Wait.
Keep scared.
Start again. No more.
Hammer it down, off we go. Oh, this is
Bye,
sick.
suckers. Oh, mate, this just feels so like bizarre.
Weird, isn't it?
Yeah. But it's like ultimate 80s cheese in a way, isn't it? It's like,
That's what you want, isn't it?
it's like, bruh, I don't roll doors up, I roll doors down.
Yeah. It's like, you know, like, you can really clean your wheels. You'd be like, yeah,
Oh my God,
dishes on those,
we need
and
to
you can clean the wheels.
We need to get a video of just like that shot of us
touching
like
the
coming
floor.
down the side. Oh my God, yeah.
With some real cheese music.
Okay, right,
going.
clear right, clear
Yeah.
right, yeah. Doesn't want to go.
I went for the left.
I know, yeah. Standing round. Also, if you've got long hair, I mean, I look like slightly in a film where we're gonna have some crap tails later. Oh, it's actually good video. How's it feel?
It feels cool. You're right. It does feel like an oldie kind of 36E 30 shape. Same noise. That
Very
BMW
raspy. Yeah.
Oh, I love it. Do you know what? Now you're saying it. It does feel weird driving a left-hand drive car in the
I
UK.
told you, this isn't just me, right? So
you're right.
I had a bit of a brain fade a minute ago and got in the car and was like, why does this feel weird? And I was like, oh, that's it. You're on the wrong side of the car, Becky. And that's why.
Yeah, but it's funny because when we drive in Europe, right-hand drive cars, they just feel normal. But here it feels a bit weird.
Left-hand drive.
That's the one.
Honestly.
Been a long morning.
Who employed him?
No one, that's the fun part. So I've just had some really nice lunch, they look cool, and look what we have here. We got Miss Emma Walsh, how's it going?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, good. Look at the weather, man. How cool is the weather?
So lucky. I mean, I don't think we could have done this without the sunshine.
No.
Half of them don't have roofs. So
Unbelievably good looking car choices. What one haven't you been out in yet?
I've got my eye on this 507.
The 507.
Obviously the most expensive one. I've got good taste.
You do indeed.
I have
2
good
million quid's worth of car. Should we take it out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Let's take it. I've already been out in it, but let's do it again because it's just mega. All right, let's do it. Let's get in the car.
So we are back in the 507. Little bit delayed.
Sorry about this.
Miss Emma Walsh over here, who maxed out her memory card. See, that's how much you film.
That's
you're always on the go.
I'm so busy.
See, we can spin this now.
So busy.
So busy that you've got no footage available.
I just don't have time to delete my stuff.
And whilst we were doing that, I can quickly run you through a quick spec sheet because I don't think you heard it in the last video because all it was me and Becky having a laugh and the wind was really loud. So if you didn't hear it, it's a BMW 507 from 1956.
56.
1956. Wait for it.
No
it's a
seatbelts.
V8, no seatbelts. Yeah. So health and safety regulations was zero when this was made. It's a V8 and it's 150 horsepower. Which is a bit weird. Yeah, V8, 150 horsepower.
Only 150?
Yeah, well, it's probably got about 100 off now. It's so old.
It's a bit old.
It's a bit
tired.
old, yeah,
It's
exactly.
a bit tired.
But look at this. This is a fun little fact. I mean, look at Emma's feet and how far away they are from the pedals. She can't even reach the pedals.
Standard.
and the gear knob as well. Look, it's like 4 gears, very loose. What do you reckon? It's mean, isn't it? It's a bit beastie. Right, let's take this thing out. Let's do it. So how is it?
Took me a while to figure out reverse. It's quite a workout. The steering wheel's quite heavy. So you know power steering, no ABS.
No, nothing.
No, nothing.
Just
No
driver
seatbelts.
skill.
Yeah.
Driver skill.
But what a great car.
It is cool, isn't it? I mean, we were saying in your video that this is such an awesome car to just cruise around in, and you were saying that you would take this to Cape Town or Portofino.
Yeah.
And I said I would love to take this somewhere like the Amalfi Coast.
That would be amazing.
Right, okay, it's been a pretty long day now and I'm getting relatively tired. But can't end the day without going out in this quickly. I'm gonna well, Becky's already no nonsense in the driver's seat, so let's see what this bad boy's about. This interior already looks sick.
Am I being sick?
Probably.
So turn it to 3 o'clock. Confused. Is this the right key? Are we in the right car? Okay,
That's a good start, isn't it?
we're stopped at the first hurdle as I can't actually turn the car on. Why am I here?
I don't know. See, that's the theme of where this video is heading now.
That's why I'm like,
Clutch in.
yeah,
Yeah.
literally nothing.
Push in. And the key, push.
Yeah.
And the other way.
Yeah.
Oh. They're giving you the wrong key.
They messed
I
up.
think they must have done.
Yeah.
They must have done.
It almost looks like my key. Okay, right.
So about that, hang on, wait. About that failing at the first hurdle, Bex. What happened? What happened, Becky?
So they gave me the key, and I immediately put the key in my pocket, but then got it mixed up with that car's key.
Which one?
Which
That
is
one.
my
Yeah.
car key. And I was like, why is it not working? Oh my god, I'm breaking it. No, it's the wrong key, didn't know. Oh, put it in gears. Wow.
Anyway, we're now on the move, so let's see what this car's like.
She shifts.
It's nippy, isn't it?
Oh, she shifts.
400 horsepower.
Is it?
Yeah. I think, if I'm wrong, I'll correct it. But I think it's 400
Making it up.
I'm making it up.
Making it up.
If in doubt, waffle.
Okay, so now we finally got over the key situation. We are now driving the Z1 with the right key.
Interior, nice, isn't it? Very, very nice, very luxury.
Very roadster.
The red looks good. And you were saying there's elements of like the 507 in this as well.
Yeah, I mean, not to be a complete nerd, like driving the 507 this morning, you can see the styling cues that they've taken from that car and put into this. And I've just had a little design lesson with Calvin, who's
a genius.
lead designer on the new one. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of like synchronicity.
The people who live on this road must be a bit frustrated now. I mean, they must have seen the same cars going back and forth all day. They'd be like, they're stuck in Inception. Deja vu's for days.
Alright, I'm gonna have a little drive, and then I'll take this baby home, and then I'm going to take my entirely compromised BMW back and not drive something which is probably the better than mine.
Absolutely. But we're saying this feels a lot more solid. It sounds mean as well. It's a V8. It's a V8. V8. That I'm not waffling. That genuinely is a V8. I hope it is. This is where I get it wrong and I get slaughtered in the comment
V8,
section.
mate.
V8, mate.
Is it gonna got Spanish?
No.
Z8, yeah. I mean, it would.
We'll go. Send it. Traction kicked in.
Happens when you hit sport. Oh, that's what happened.
Oh, flipping out. That's quick.
Let me put it into sport.
Right, with that said and done, that is the end of the day. My partner in crime, Queen Bee, we've had a good day, haven't we?
Yeah, man.
It's been really, really cool. Thank you for helping out with the video. Thank you for scaring the pants off me in some of the cars. Favourite car at the lot, which one?
Mine.
Anyway guys, if you haven't already, make sure to like, share and subscribe. A massive thank you to BMW UK for this invite. Really great day, and I'm really looking forward to the new Z4 when it goes out as well. So thank you very much, see you later, bye bye.